Welcome to Toobr, the online marketplace where you can rent anything you already have, including your time. Toobr is a user-focused platform that makes it easy for professionals to reach new clients and also make it easier for people to find what they want. All those tools in your garage? Share them on Toobr. Want to choose how much you get paid as a driver? Drive by the hour with Toobr. Need a last-minute mechanic before your road trip? Find one with Toobr. Tutorials, catering, photographers, live music, homes, equipment, tutoring, makeup tutorials, how to change a tire, connecting with fans. Anything you have to offer, add it to Toobr. Now, let's look at how easy it is to get started. To make a new account, tap New Toobr at the top of your screen. Enter your account's email address and password. This is what you'll use to sign in. Note that by creating an account, every user agrees to the Toobr terms of service. Once your information has been entered, you're all set to make your first order. Toobr does not collect any payment information at any time. All transactions are safely and securely fulfilled with Stripe. The money goes directly from the user to the pro. Tap the Toobr icon to search for what you want. Today, I want to order a dog walker since I hurt my knee, so let's look up dog walker. In my area, we can see May Meyer and Allen Key have dog walkers available. Looks like Allen Key is active now, so let's order this one. 2 hours should be a good walk. Enter the location where you'd like the pro to meet you. And now, we can see the price calculation, including the cost per hour and the cost per mile. Next, we can add other tools from this pro, but today I think just the dog walking. Since we already added a payment card, all we have to do is order, and the pro will approve or reject the order request. Once ordered, you have the option to contact your pro with any details. For this order, I will let him know my dog is a Mastiff. Also good to include any details about accessing your location. I can see the pro has replied to my message. Once the pro approves your order, we can see the status change to order in progress. After the pro marks the order as complete, we can approve and pay. If you'd like to be a Toobr pro, check out our step-by-step video about how to get started.